कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ यार.
Congratulations on the clinic.
Thank you
बहुत
so
सुंदर
much.
है.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. What happened? Why are you so tired?
Actually, I just took my classes, the fitness classes, and
हाँ.
now I'm back to clinic, setting up. So it's taking lot of toll. Not that I'm fine, but I'm tired.
Yeah.
Sometimes a therapist also need a therapist.
So true. Yeah, no. What about we take like 10 minutes of your time and you'll be energized, ready for the day. Yeah?
Can you do that?
Yeah.
One physiotherapy session free for you.
Need it. Definitely need it.
Done.
Let's go.
Done deal.
Yeah. We'll start then. Yeah. You have to keep your phone away. Just for 10 minutes. Chalo, chalo. You have to keep your phone away.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, find a cozy place. Nice, warm, quiet room. Also find a mat which you can lie on. Yeah. You can lie down. Oh, also dim the lights a little. Now you have to lie down, but keep your feet apart. Keep them straight.
Okay.
Hands next to your hips.
Okay.
Yeah. Palms facing the ceiling. Keep your head straight. Yeah.
Okay.
Now your feet 60 centimeters apart. Palms 30 from your body.
Okay.
Then slowly close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable. If you have to move, if you have to shift your position, do it now. Later, you're not going to move your body. Stabilize your body and count. Make it as still as possible. No eye movements, no body movements. Just stay still. Now, slowly bring your attention to your stomach. When you inhale, the stomach rises up slowly. And when you exhale, it comes down slowly. Become aware of your breathing. Now, bring your attention to the lower part of your body. Become aware of your toes, your feet, your legs, your knees. Become aware of your hips, the pelvic region, your genital organs. Become aware of the entire lower part of the body. Now, take a deep breath in and we're going to chant Akara together. Take a deep breath in for Akara. Feel the vibrations in the lower part of your body. Now, bring the attention to the middle region of your body. Become aware of your stomach, all the organs within you. Become aware of your back, your spine from the bottom up till the top. Become aware of your chest, the slow rise and fall of your chest. Also become aware of your hands, your elbows, the wrist, up till the tip of your fingers. This time, we'll take a deep breath in and chant Okara. Take a deep breath in. Feel the vibration in the middle region of your body. Bring your attention to the upper region of your body. Become aware of your neck, your face, all your facial muscles. Become aware of your eyes, your nose, your mouth and your ears. Become aware of your forehead, the top of your head, all the way to the back. Become aware of your brain entirely. Keeping this awareness, now we'll take a deep breath in and we'll chant Makara. Take a deep breath in. Become aware of the vibrations in the upper region of your body. Now, become aware of the entire body, from the tip of your toes until the top of your head. This time, we're going to chant A-O-M using 1/3 of your breath for each of the letters. Take a deep breath in. Feel the vibrations moving from the lower to the upper region of your body. Observe your breath and become aware of it. This time, we'll chant Om and become aware of your mind. Take a deep breath in. Enjoy the silence as your mind relaxes. Now, you slowly become aware of your physical body. Slowly move your toes, move your fingers. You can turn your head from one side to the other. Put your hands above your head. Bring your feet closer. Give your body a nice stretch. Nice good stretch. Yeah. Now, keep your left arm on your stomach. You can bend your left leg and turn to your right side. You can rest on your side for some time. When you feel comfortable, you can slowly get up and sit in any comfortable position. Make sure your eyes are closed. Use your left arm and sit up. You can sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Any position comfortable. You can rub your palms, generate some heat. Do this for about 20 seconds. Once it's warm enough, cup your fingers and your palms and place them on your eyeballs. Don't put any pressure on your eyes. Just slowly place them on your eyes. When you're comfortable, you can blink your eyes open slowly. Good morning. How do you feel? Good?
Very good.
Yeah.
I'm like so charged for the day now.
Yeah?
Yes. And I think I can't waste my time anymore.
You have patients waiting?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Including you.
Oh yeah. Yes.
But before that, let's tell our subscriber to subscribe to our channel Arogya PhysioTips. We are very thankful to Mahati because she not only energized me, she energized many more people who are actually watching this. And please like our videos, share our videos, and
Subscribe.
witness your fitness with us.